How to get YouTube Recap. YouTube Recap shows our most watched videos, creators, and categories from the year. So if we do not know where to find it, we might miss our entire YouTube watching history. So let's access it correctly. We open up the YouTube app on our phone for that and make sure we are logged in into our account, and YouTube Recap is mainly only available on mobile device. So once we are here, we can tap on our profile in the bottom right, and there, once we open it up, we can basically look out for the YouTube recap. Usually, the option name may vary by reason. You can just go and look out for it, or look out for your YouTube benefits and tap on it. And look out for this section. Usually, it is rolled out just after December sometimes, and you may need to wait for more days for it to become available in your region. You can just go and do so. But if you can't find it here, what we can do is we can open up a browser instead, tap on it, and there just go over and type in the option for just go over and type in youtube.com/recap. And once we tap on it here, we'll be finding it. You'll be directly finding an option called look for your 2025 recap. You can tap on open YouTube to open it up and access your YouTube recap in your YouTube application instead. So just go over and do so. You can just go over and do so. That should usually redirect you to the app and trigger the recap. And the thing is, you must meet the minimum age requirement, usually 13 plus, and supervised accounts or brand accounts are not eligible for that feature. But if you have accidentally dismissed the recap banner, it may have been gone permanently for the year, and it cannot be refreshed or edited once deleted or closed. And recaps are automatically deleted for everyone after the end of the year. And that's it. So you can just go over and look out for your YouTube recap in your YouTube account as well, and let us know if it is available yet, and tell us about it. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.